Lesson 57 in Established in the Faith book is on 43 science proofs of the Bible. And the Bible reading's been Job 38, 1-41. And the first science proof of the Bible is in Genesis chapter 1, verse 1, which describes the space, mass, time universe in which we live. In the beginning, that's time, God created the heaven, that's space, and earth, that's mass. Number 2, science proof of the Bible, the universe had a beginning. The universe is not eternal. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth, Genesis 1:1 and Hebrews 1:10. Number 3, the sun was formed on the 4th day of the creation week, Genesis 1:16. All stars form from bright gas clouds, contracting into a star. Number 4, science proof is Pangea, meaning one original land mass. Let the waters be gathered together into one place, Genesis 1 verse 9. The waters in one place means the land is in one place, but the continents drifted after the flood. Number 5, science proof of the Bible, all mankind came from one woman. Mitochondrial DNA came from one original mother. Genesis 3 verse 20, her name was Eve. Number 6, science proof is that billions of fossils prove Noah's flood of rapid deposition away from scavengers and bacteria which would have eaten it if it was deposited in a normal environment. Number 7, continental drift after Noah's flood. Eber, in his days was the earth divided, Genesis 10:25. Number 8, he hangs the earth upon nothing, Job 26 verse 7. Gravity between earth and the sun holds the earth in orbit. People in ancient times thought the earth stood on some creature, a turtle or something like that. They didn't understand that its gravity holds the earth in space. Number 9, science proof of the Bible is that the winds have weight and hence air pressure to make the weight for the winds, Job 28:25. Number 10, science proof of the Bible is cloud balancing occurs because of gravity pulling the cloud down and warm air pushing the cloud upwards. God asked the question to Job, do you know the balancing of the clouds? Job 37:16. So the position of clouds in the sky is because of a balancing of gravity pulling the cloud down and warm air pushing it up. Number 11, light can be parted or dispersed into a rainbow spectrum. God asked the question to Job in 38 verse 24, by what way is the light parted? So the white light gets parted into red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet colours of the rainbow. Number 12, proof of the Bible from science is that the sun is the source of the earth's wind systems. Light which scatters the east wind on the earth, Job 38:24. So the light or the sunlight scatters the east wind on the earth. Number 13, science proof of the Bible is that winds blow in circuits. The sun heats the equator air to rise and flow south and north. Wind goes south and north, Ecclesiastes 1 verse 6. Number 14, science proof of the Bible is that of the water cycle. All the rivers run into the sea, unto the place from where the rivers come, there they return again, Ecclesiastes 1 verse 7. Number 15, sea paths or ocean currents. Whatsoever passes through the paths of the sea, Psalm 8 verse 8. William Morey taught about, he read this verse and he did the research to find paths of the sea, ocean currents. Number 16, science proof of the Bible is fountains under the sea, the springs of the sea, Job 38:16, and fountains of the deep, Proverbs 8 verse 28. How did the Bible know there were fountains and springs at the bottom of the ocean? Number 17, science proof of the Bible is treasures of the snow. These treasures of the snow are six-sided crystals. Have you entered into the treasures of the snow? Job 38:22. Every snow crystal is different to any other one, which is totally amazing. And they are beautiful six-sided crystals. Number 18, Pleiades is a bound star cluster. God asked Job, can you bind the sweet influences of Pleiades? Job 38:31. This was about 1520 BC when this question was asked. And number 19, science proof of the Bible is that Orion's bands are loosed and the stars in the Orion constellation are expanding outwards. God asked Job, can you loose the bands of Orion? Meaning God has loosed the bands of Orion, so the stars are moving away from each other. Proof number 20 from science is the laws of physics control mass, energy and motion. God asked Job, do you know the ordinances or the laws of heaven? Job 38:33. The universe operates on repeatable, reliable physics and chemical laws. Number 21, phone communication is described and prophesied. Can you send lightnings that they may go and say unto thee, here we are? Job 38:35. And this is how phones operate, sending electric current to activate a phone to send a signal to communicate. Number 22, science proof of the Bible is dinosaurs are described. Behemoth has a tail as a cedar, Job 40 verse 17. Leviathan has terrible teeth, Job 41:14. Number 23, proof is the height of the stars. Behold the height of the stars, how high they are, Job 22:12. Alpha Centauri is 4 light years away. Some other stars are 13 billion light years away. Number 24 is the very great number of stars, as the host of heaven cannot be numbered, Jeremiah 33:22. 590 BC, God said this. Number 25, diseases caused by pigs, by trichinosis larva. Swine or pigs of their flesh you shall not eat, because of the larva causes other physical problems. Leviticus 11 verse 7 and 8. Science proof number 26 of the Bible is do not eat fish without fins and scales, Leviticus 11 9-12. Do not eat meat-eating birds, Leviticus 11 13-19, as these carry bacteria and disease. Number 27, do not eat fat, it clogs the arteries and heart. You shall eat no manner of fat of the ox or sheep or goat, Leviticus 7:23. Number 28, contagious leprosy must be quarantined. He, the leper, shall dwell alone outside the camp, Leviticus 13:46, because it's contagious and leprosy will spread otherwise. Number 29, science proof of the Bible, hands and clothes washing prevents infectious diseases. The issue rinsed his hands in water, Leviticus 15 verse 11. Number 30, the bloodstream carries life. The life of the flesh is in the blood, Leviticus 17:11. No bloodletting. It used to be a practice. Number 31, science proof of the Bible is no incest. Do not marry your brother or sister or cousin, because children will get double dose of mutated genes. Do not marry your near kin, Leviticus 18 verse 6. Number 32, science proof of the Bible is sanitation. A place outside the camp where you ease yourself. Dig and cover that which comes from thee, Deuteronomy 23:12 and 13. Number 33, science proof is that the earth is spherical. It is he that sits upon the circle or sphere, Hebrew word kug, sphere of the earth, Isaiah 40 verse 22. Number 34, space-time is curved. He walks in the circuit or kug, sphere of heaven, Job 22:14. So as the earth is a sphere, so the universe is spherical. Number 35, science proof of the Bible is that the space is stretched, the red shift of light from receding galaxies, Isaiah 51:13, Isaiah 40:22, 42:5, 44:24, 45:12, all talk about the stretching of the universe. Number 36, the earth has foundations of core, mantle and crust. Forgettest the Lord thy Maker, that has stretched forth the heavens and laid the foundations of the earth, Isaiah 51:13. Earth has foundations of core, mantle and crust. Number 37, science proof of the Bible is shadows are caused by a spherical Earth turning on its axis towards the sun. Shadow, where there is neither shadow of turning, James 1:17. So all shadows caused by the Earth turning on its axis. Number 38, science proof, is the first law of thermodynamics, which says that no new matter or energy is being created. It is only being converted from one form to another. On the seventh day, God ended his work which he had made. Genesis 2, verse 2. Number 39, science proof, is the second law of thermodynamics, which says that the disorder of the universe is increasing. Systems run from high energy state to low energy state. They, the earth and the heavens, all shall wax old as doth a garment. Hebrews 1:11. Number 40, science proof, the Bible is matter is made of small particles. The things seen were not made of things which do appear. Hebrews 11:3. Number 41, science proof, the Bible is at Jesus Christ's return to the earth. Some people are sleeping at night, some are working in the field in daylight. Luke 17:30-36. In that day and in that night. How did Jesus know that the earth at any point of time is half daylight and half night? Because he's God. Number 42, science proof, Jesus died at 2:52 p.m. Friday 3rd of April 33 AD, about the 9th hour, Matthew 27 verse 46, the exact minute of the Passover full moon. Christ our Passover is sacrificed for us, 1 Corinthians 5:7. In the 14th day of the first month at even is the Lord's Passover, Leviticus 23:5 and Exodus 12:6 and 7. astropixels.com/ephemeris/phasescat. Proof number 43 from science, Jesus was born on Tuesday, 17th of June 2 BC, when Jupiter, the king planet, and Venus, the mother planet, were so close together, appearing to be one brilliant star in the constellation Leo. When wise men in Babylon saw this, they came to Bethlehem, knowing 9 months elapsed from conception on 11th of September 3 BC. Matthew 2 verse 2. So here we have wonderful science proofs of the Bible, and it proves the Bible is from God, because humans never knew these truths at the time. Thank you.